Remember the story How the Grinch Stole Christmas? He took everything, leaving only broken ornaments and crumbs of food behind. That may seem generous compared to what thieves could do to you this holiday season. Every year, criminals steal the joy out of the holiday celebrations from many unsuspecting consumers. The good news is savvy shoppers can protect themselves with a few simple precautions. Streamline your wallet. Only bring those items you must have. Leave home excess cash, little used credit cards, and anything with your Social Security number on it. Keep track of your credit cards. Thieves working in retail stores often use devices called skimmers, which resemble normal credit card swipes. Safeguard your purse or wallet. When you're laden with bags, you become a prime target. Women should hold their purse so it hangs in front of them, and men should carry their wallet in their front pocket. Make sure the website is secure. When shopping online, don't assume a site is encrypted. On individual sites where you enter personal information, the web URL should begin with HTTPS. The S in the configuration means the site is secure. Never enter your information on a pop-up screen. Legitimate companies don't ask for personal information via pop-up screens. Install pop-up blocking software to avoid this type of scam. Keep documentation of your order. When you've completed an online order process, there may be a final confirmation page, or you might receive confirmation by email. Check your credit card and bank statements carefully. Notify your bank or credit card company immediately if there are unauthorized charges or debits. Contact the seller promptly about any problems with your order. If you become a victim of fraud, contact the Fairfax County Police Department at their non-emergency number 703-691-2131.